Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y17S, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode, which will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. To start off, I'm gonna hold our power button and either it's volume up or just, let's see. Yep, so it's power button volume up. Now you can do this with the lock screen or without it. So if you can turn off your device on a lock screen by just pressing power button volume up and selecting power off, that's great. If you can't, because it's telling you that you need to put a screen lock, what you can do is hold power button volume down, and the moment the screen turns off, that means that the device just went into reboot, at which point you want to switch to volume up, so power button volume up. I just need to turn it off as I don't have a screen lock set. And once the device is off, I'm just going to be holding power button and volume up. The same thing that anyone with a screen lock, I guess, might need to do after the device turns off. And as you can see, this instantly boots us into fast boot mode. So in here, using volume buttons now, you want to scroll down to the second option, confirm it with the power button, so recovery mode. Give it a moment and this will boot us into recovery mode. In here, you want to click on clear data and then clear all data. Click on OK. So from here, we're going to select return, the back arrow right here, and then restart. OK. And this will now reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and this will take probably up to 2 minutes or so, give or take, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.